loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I have a kind of large Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I went to several different Dollar Trees in my area looking for some specific items, and I ended up actually finding everything I was looking for except for one small thing. So let's just jump into it and see what I picked up. Oh, and almost all of these items are brand new to my stores. I think they're brand new, period. I might be mistaken on one item, but I think everything is brand new. So the first item, the one that I might be mistaken on, is this hurricane vase. It's a different shape than any of the other vases that I've ever seen at any of my stores. And I didn't ask the girl if they were brand new there, but I really like it. I think it's elegant. I like how it indents at the bottom here and then bubbles out at the top, and it doesn't have the lip on the top. So I picked up one of these. I'm hopefully going to be making a DIY project with it, and I'm going to set it over here because I don't want to knock it over because I have quite a few other things here to show you guys. Next, I ended up finding these luminescence LED tea light candles, and these are the little tiny ones. And what is different about these are they are waterproof. You can put these in a vase like that with water and they will light up underneath the water. And my store never had these before. I was really happy to find them. I ended up getting 2 packs. I ended up getting the only 2 packs that they had left. So I picked those up and I want to check out to see how they work. If you guys have tried these before and your store has them, let me know in the comment section down below. Do they work, or do they like pan out on you because they only cost $1? So then next I went, and this is one of the items I was looking for. I picked up one of the silver mercury glass tea light or votive candle holders. It depends on what you want to use it for. And I picked this up to do a DIY for you guys. If you saw my Show Some Love collab tablescape that I did, I actually had purchased these, which were also new at my store, and I made a DIY out of 2 of them. They were some illuminated kind of topiaries made for Valentine's Day. However, Valentine's Day is gone and a lot of people want to see how I put together the DIY. So I'm going to use this one to make a spring-like version of that DIY project for you guys. So I picked up one of these for that. They also have them in gold, and they do still have the red ones if you are looking for those. Then next I found another new item that I'm in love with. They have some brand new candle holders. These are really nice. They are bright gold. I was hoping they had them in silver, and I don't know if they do come in silver. If you know, let me know in the comment section below. But they will hold a taper candle and they will hold pillar style candles. So I'm in love with these. There are 2 different designs. I actually think I like this one better, but I have a lot of candles that look like this, so I'm used to this design. But they are both really nice and they are bright gold. They are brand new to all the stores. I did ask the girl there and she said they'd never had those before. So then next I went over and I purchased some succulents. And I know what you're thinking. If you've been on my channel for a while, you do not need any succulents. And this is kind of true, but they have new ones this year. I got a whole bunch of them last year, way too many of them. And I brought down a couple of them so I can show you the comparison of the new ones that they have this year. They are so much bigger. I picked up one of these picks. I have several picks, and then I have a new style for you guys. So I picked up one that looks like this, and then one that is like a taller version of the same kind of flower. And look at how big these are. Even the taller version is bigger than the huge one. Now let me show the comparison from last year. This is last year's pick, and this is this year's pick. Even the stems on them are a whole lot bigger. And so I am in love with these. So I picked up these 2. Then this one, which was a very different shape. I really like the bright green on this. And I picked up a couple of these spiky ones, actually 3. 2 that are kind of identical, and then one that has more of a red tone to it. And then I also picked up this weird shaped one. I thought it kind of looked like a tree. And I picked these up to go along with some other items that I will be showing you here shortly. And then they have a whole new type of succulent. It's not in a pick. They are on these little clips. And so I thought this was a great idea. You can actually use these in so many different projects and in so many different places without committing to it being there permanently, because they just clip on and you can take them off. And so I picked up quite a few of these. I got this one, which is red toned. This one, this is more of a green and it is really pretty. And then I did get one of these spiky ones. And one of these that are more purple. And then I turned around and I picked up 3 of these, which are the softer ones that are really vibrant green, because I really like this for spring. And I have a project that I want to try to use these 3 together with. I might put a couple of the other ones with it too, but I really like the green ones. So that was all the succulents I got, but the picks, I really love that idea. And then the last things that I picked up were fairy garden items. I know I already showed you guys in my last Dollar Tree haul some fairy garden items, but they have so many this year in so many vibrant colors. So I picked up quite a few other pieces because my granddaughter and I are going to be putting together a fairy garden. So the first thing I picked up for her were some more fairies. I looked in my stash. I thought I had a set of fairies like this already for her, but I couldn't find them. So I made sure I got 1 pack of fairies for her. And those are really cute. I think they're a little different from the ones last year too. So hopefully if I find my ones last year, she'll have different ones. Then I ended up picking up one of these little bridges that have purple flowers and I think some little yellow flowers on it. I also picked up one set of this table and chairs with the little yellow bottoms to them. And these are made out of like cut logs and pieces of wood. It's all plastic, but it's supposed to look like cut logs and pieces of wood. And then at a different store, they had this one that's on like a grassy mound that looks like someone just cut a stump off and then made some chairs, and it has a little butterfly. So I ended up getting both of them. I had already bought this one and kind of forgot and then picked this one up, but I think it'll be cute. She can have 2 different areas with seating. And then I also picked up this little teeter-totter log where it has 2 fairies playing on like a teeter-totter set. In my last haul I had some swing set like pieces too, so I thought that would be really cute to have like a little playground area. And then I ended up picking up one of these little tiny gazebos. I have a gazebo from last year too, so I think I'm going to give her that one because it's different. And then I picked her up some houses. Now, in my last haul, I picked up 2 houses. One had like a purple thatch roof, and then one had like a green thatch roof. And I showed you guys that I had a mushroom house from last year. But last year's homes were all ceramic, and she's only 5, and so I don't really want to give her the ceramic one. So I ended up picking up one of the mushroom houses. And it's really, really cute. It has like a little bench on one side. It has these little tiny round windows and a chimney. And I really love how it is with the little steps up to the door. And then the back is just plain. Then I ended up getting her one of these welcome houses that have the thatch roof. And it is made like a log cabin. And on the back it's plain, and it has a little window at the top and stairs to go up to the door with some pink flowers. Then I ended up getting her another like wood house with a leaf thatch roof that has mushrooms on the side, and it's just kind of a plain door. Then the back is plain. Then I ended up picking her up this cute little acorn one. It has an acorn top to it and it's yellow. It has two little windows on either side and then flowers going up on either side of the door. And then the back is plain also. And then, I know I went a little overboard. I ended up getting her this, I think it's like a tulip house, and it has a little window at the top. It has little round ones on either side. It has vines growing up to the windows so they look like they are flowers. And it has a butterfly on the top, and then it's made just out of a regular log, it looks like. And then lastly, okay, sorry, my camera overheated and shut off, but lastly, my favorite one of all of them, I picked her up one of the strawberry houses that has like the little mushroom chimney on it. It has the little windows on the side of it, and it's so cute. It looks just like a strawberry, and then the back has all the strawberry seed texture on it. It is so adorable. So all together, I think with my last haul and with this haul, she has like 8 houses and a whole bunch of accessories, and I'm going to come up with some kind of way to make her a big fairy garden thing that's kind of portable. And I bought some of these succulents because they look like trees or some kind of bush that she can put there in the fairy garden, and that's why I picked this up. Or at least that's the excuse I'm using for it, because I probably had some already in my stash, but these, they look so much more like big shrubbery, so I picked up some of those. So that is all I picked up in this Dollar Tree haul. It was enough. Comment down below, what was your favorite item that I found this time? I almost want to say I have a 3-way tie between the fairy garden stuff, the succulents, and these new candle holders. But if I have to narrow it down, it's going to definitely be the fairy garden again, just for this house alone. It is so, so, so cute. So that's it for this haul. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. I'm going to be doing some collabs coming up here really soon, doing some DIYs that you guys are not going to want to miss for spring season. So make sure you also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of those videos that I'm going to put out here shortly. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.